Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a Amazon tech haul, and this is 2020 edition. Alright, so let's get straight to it. We're going to just start off with the first package. It's right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and just open this. Hopefully we don't cut the product. There is a tear open thing, but I don't really want to take it off because that's boring and I really want to use this boxing knife. So let's just cut the top. So first we have a sport mask. Oh, this is an N99 mask. These retail for around $50. They're going up in value. So that's pretty cool. Maybe, I'm pretty sure most of these are company products. Product reviews companies sent over. So that's pretty nice. Let's go and check it out real quick before we move on to the next. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. You guys know what these look like, hopefully. These are better than the N95 masks, and they have extra filters. Let's go and move on to the next product. Oh, silica gels. Let's go ahead and go to this one. Alright, this one, let's go and open that. This one is a TBI Pro 13-in-1 adapter for your laptop. This uses Type-C. It's pretty cool. Let's go and open this. Extend your warranty for 24 months, so 2 years extra warranty. And here's the product. 13-in-1 adapter. Let's go and bring this light closer. My other light broke, so I'm gonna have to use this one. But 13-in-1 adapter. So it has 3 USB 3.0 ports, USB 2.0 port, Type-C data transfer, LED indicator, Ethernet, VGA, 2 4Ks, a SD card, micro SD card, and a power, I think. So yeah, that's by TBI Pro. Thanks for sending that out. Let's go and move on to the next product, which is right here. Oops. This is the iTanda ITD USB-C to HDMI adapter, which pretty much allows you to go on anything with a HDMI. That's pretty cool. It feels like kind of like the TBI Pro, the one I just showed. Just basically aluminum body. It feels pretty nice with the nice braided cable. It's nice. And then the Type-C. So it's, you could probably mirror your phone to your TV or something. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's move on to the next product. This one right here. This is a Toovren iPhone 11 wallet case 2019 black. Let's go and open this, see what this looks like. If I can open it. Alright. So this, oh, that's nice. Has like a velvet or a suede in the inside, but nice pocket here. Strap. It's pretty cool. Maybe a little pocket for cards and stuff. This feels pretty sturdy too, and it comes with a lanyard. Yeah. Just gonna move that to the side. Very nice case though. I'll be doing reviews of all of this in the future. Next thing we have. Let's see. Oops. Alright. Let's see what this is. This is a Poetic case. iPhone 11 Black Revolution. Yeah, so this is what this case looks like. Pretty nice kickstand. I have it for the Google Pixel 3a. It's an amazing case. We're gonna go and speed up the process. I don't want to make this video too long. We're gonna move to a box. We're gonna cut this box open because it's a bit big on camera. It's kind of hard to show. It's kind of hard to show on camera. So we have a Gamesir G6 mobile controller. This retails for about $50. Just gonna peel this off. All right. Oops. So I got a little note. Nice. And then we have the product itself. So user manual, charging cable. This is micro USB, and the device itself. This looks pretty nice though. You have some buttons and an analog stick, grip on the back. Feels pretty sturdy. I think this is a metal frame. Yep. So that's pretty cool. Let's go and move on to the next product. So we have one right here. Oh, all right. We have some wireless earbuds. These are small stereo and have 500 milliamp power bank. Not power bank, sorry. Milliamp capacity. If I can get this opened. There we go. Oh. You have a user manual. That's pretty cool. Let's move this aside. You have this, whatever that is. The earbuds themselves. We'll get back to that in a second. What is this? Charging cable and earbud tips. It's nice. Just gonna put that back in here. So here are the earbuds. Let's go and move this to the side. Here are the earbuds. It has a button. The micro USB, 500 milliamp. Pretty cool. All right. Take them out, and then you get to like use them. That's what those look like. We're gonna do a review. We're gonna do like a top 5 or top 10 best earbuds under like $20 or $50. I don't know how much those cost. Probably around 30 to 40. Let's move on to the next product. Hold on. Just rip this. We have another pair of earbuds. The Anturson T12s. Oh gosh, it keeps turning off. Let's go and unbox this. Alright. There we go. Here's the earbuds. Pretty cool. Let's go and open this. We have the micro USB again, charging cable, and then the manual inside. So that's cool, I guess. Let's go and put this here. Let's look at the earbuds again. So this is what they look like. Got the right side. It's pretty cool. Let's go move this to the side. Alright, so we have another big box on the outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it because it's too big to put on camera, but we're gonna go ahead and open it. Alright, if you guys want to help me fix my light, because the light I'm using right now is like a, look, it's just a mirror. So I need a better lighting source because my other one broke. But anyways, in this box we have another iPhone case. This is SupCase Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is the blue version. Blue and gray. No, blue and black. Blue and gray or blue and black, I can't tell. Oh, it's blue, gray, black. But this looks pretty nice. It has like a screen protector on there. Kickstand. This one's nice. And then it has a little holster for your needs. That's pretty cool. Let's go move this aside. And then we also have a SNES Classic. This is like a knockoff version though. Let's go. Should we open it like this, or should we just? I'm just gonna open it like this. All right. Let's go and look at this real quick. Nice. Has 2 controllers. We're just gonna look at the console. We're not gonna take anything else out because you guys know they have component cables and this little adapter thing. So let's go and open this. Oh, it has a user manual. Oh, okay. So power, I think, and then I don't know what that is. 2 controllers, power reset. That's pretty much it. All the games are basically pre-downloaded on there. You don't have to have like a disc or anything. I'll leave a link in the description for this. This probably cost, I don't know, 20 bucks, 30. Okay, you get the point. So yeah, that's the big Amazon haul. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. I have better videos coming out. By the way, this was a skit video, so everything on here was planned and everything else was sent to me by companies. Some of the products weren't even featured on my channel. That's because some of them are just things I just didn't want to post, and then other things just because. So anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe like I said before, and help me by using the links in the description to buy any of these products. I'll get 10% from Amazon, somewhere around there. So if you buy anything here that interests you, even in the slightest, purchase it using the description link, and that'll help me be getting better equipment. Thank you guys for watching.